Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is my top 3 high-paying affiliate programs. Keep watching, I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone, if you watched yesterday's video, which was how to monetize Twitter with affiliate marketing, this is a natural follow-on to that, and if you haven't watched it, please click on the card above and watch that video. Affiliate marketing is when you get paid a commission to promote a company's goods or services. You send a customer via a dedicated affiliate link to the company's website, and if they go on to purchase, you'll receive your commission that way. In this video, I want to discuss 3 high-paying affiliate programs that I have personal experience of. The first of those is called Regal Assets. Let me click out of this and go to Regal Assets website. So let's come out of there. Regal Assets. Let's go to full view again. Regal Assets are an American-based company, and their sort of key product or hero product is Regal IRA. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. For those of you in the UK, as I am, that's the equivalent to a pension. So the products you'll be promoting are gold-backed pensions, and there are some cryptocurrency investment products as well. But gold-backed pensions is the key one. This is, obviously a sign-up form, and they'll be looking for new inquiries to come from any activity you do to promote your affiliate link. It is quite a restricted program in that it's not open to everybody. You need to apply, and then they'll assess your website, level of traffic, and how relevant your website is for financial products. But if you are accepted and taken into the program, as I have been taken into the program, so the commissions that you can potentially earn are in the realm of sort of 30,000 US dollars. If you think about the process, somebody's got an IRA, and they may transfer their IRA from an existing provider to Regal Assets, and Regal Assets is set up to be gold backed, so there's ever involvement in sort of precious metals in terms of the investments that they're invested in. Then you can imagine some of those amounts will be large, which means your percentage will equate to quite a large amount, or can potentially equate to quite a large amount. So it's something to investigate. As you would expect with one of my videos, the description will contain a link to the affiliate scheme, so you can apply. If you think it's relevant for you, you can apply for that. So that's my first, number 1, Regal Assets. Number 2 is also has a sort of financial, as they all do actually in this video, has a financial relevance. So let's come out of this. Let's go out of full screen and go to the second of the high-paying affiliate programs I recommend is DSX. DSX is a UK-based cryptocurrency exchange. If you're familiar with the cryptocurrency markets, there are lots of cryptocurrency exchanges, and for a long time most of them seem to be based overseas, external to the UK. So it's very good that there's a cryptocurrency exchange based in London. It means that if I have any queries, I can speak to them during normal office hours, or I could go and visit them if I needed to visit them, or visit with a member of staff there. So that makes me feel more secure in terms of being able to use them as a cryptocurrency exchange. This is the affiliate program. I'm just going to click on the affiliate page for you so you can see. So you will receive up to 30% of the DSX fee as your commission if a transaction is carried out in a period up to 400 days after they've clicked on your affiliate link. So this is a very this sort of window of promotional activity when it's attributed to you is very long in terms of 400 days, and also the 30% of the DX fee is quite generous given some of the sums being used to invest in cryptocurrencies. I should say, obviously, investing in cryptocurrency is a financial decision. This is not financial advice at all, so you must seek financial advice before you make any investments in terms of cryptocurrencies or any other financial products. But as an affiliate marketing program with a high paying commission, DXX links is one of those that is not widely known and is great because you can apply and then set up all your links on your website and with your content. And once the links and content is set up, you have the potential to earn income passively on a recurring basis. So I hope that's useful to you. That's the second high paying affiliate program that I recommend. Let me click out of this and go to the third. The third high paying affiliate program that I recommend is Capify. Capify are a financial institution that loans money to businesses, and they can do this via a merchant cash advance or a business loan. Typically their customers are people with quite a relatively high turnover of cash per month, so at least £10,000. So restaurants and bars are typically within their target audience, and they loan money based on the amount of turnover that is predicted for the business across a month. The commission that you'll earn is 10% of any loan. So if 100,000 is borrowed, then you will earn potentially 10%. I'm just going to scroll so you can see that in front of me. The range of loans that they offer to businesses are 3,500 to 150,000. So 10% of the final agreed loan amount could be quite significant. Similar to the Regal Assets and DSX opportunity, this is it's something that you'll need to apply for. They don't accept everybody, but there is an opportunity for you to be accepted into their affiliate program and to be earning a significant commission. I wanted to be very specific about the commission, so if you want to generate extra revenue, partnering with Capify could be a great option. We offer a generous commission structure where you can earn up to 10% of the total margin of each loan or advance which is funded. So as I say, it's a very good opportunity to earn extra revenue based off referring customers to Capify. Customers would be businesses, typically restaurants and bars and cafes, etc., who have a turnover of at least £10,000 per month. I know that's one of the that's part of the criteria. So I hope this has been useful to you. I've summarized 3 high-paying affiliate marketing programs that I've had personal experience of, with a view to opening your eyes beyond the usual affiliate marketing programs. And as I said previously, if you're having to set up links and create communications plans to promote your affiliate marketing programs, it's worth doing that for those that are more lucrative or significant in terms of the amounts that you can earn from them. Hope this has been useful to you. Thanks for watching all the way through. I look forward to speaking to you in the next video. If you like this video, please give me a like, click on my face to subscribe, and click on one of the screenshots to watch another video. Thanks. Bye-bye. But I've got lots and lots of ideas for new videos, new projects, new collaborations, and I would like to make more videos for YouTube and to expand the scope of the videos I make. And to do this, I would like your support, and the way that you can support me, I've introduced a new way. You click on this button over here. This is a donate to my channel button. You can support me in that way. I'll just click on there to show you where that takes you to. So that'll take you to PayPal, and feel free to make a donation of any denomination. It will all be appreciated, and I will help, and I'll use that money exclusively to make more videos and to create more content just for YouTube. There's obviously other platforms I'm on, but this will be all about increasing the number of videos on YouTube. I'm just going to click back to my channel. You can also support by clicking on the subscribe button, of course. Subscribe button's over here. Probably the most popular playlist at the moment is LinkedIn Advice.